Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the kee Large Acrylic Makeup Mascara Liner Brush Storage Lipstick Cosmetic Organizer Case Holder. A mouthful, I know, but it's a game changer for keeping your makeup collection tidy and stylish. This transparent acrylic organizer is designed to hold your brushes, lipsticks, mascaras, liners, and more, all in one spot, so let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the packaging. It arrived in a sturdy box from Amazon sold by Fennec Mart. No damage here, which is a win for fragile acrylic. The organizer itself is large yet compact, about 22 cm long, 12 cm wide, and 7.5 cm high with 16 compartments, 12 small slots for lipsticks or liners, and 4 bigger ones for brushes or taller items like perfume bottles. I love the clear design. It matches any decor and lets me see everything at a glance. I started by loading it up. The small slots fit my lipsticks perfectly, round or square bases no problem. And I squeezed in some nail polishes too, though chunkier bottles were a tight fit. The bigger compartments held my mascara, eyeliner, and even a few brushes upright, no tipping over. It's made of durable acrylic, feels solid, not flimsy, and it's easy to wipe clean with a cloth, no fuss there. I tested it on my vanity and it freed up so much space, no more digging through messy drawers. Everything's organized and accessible. It's marketed as versatile, great for bathrooms, dressers, or desks, and I can see why. It's lightweight and portable too. It's not luxury, some slots could be deeper, but for the price it's a steal, perfect for beginners or anyone needing a declutter. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll style a full look using items from this organizer. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.